How to uninstall Roblox in Windows 11. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can uninstall Roblox from Windows 11. So uninstalling Roblox is fairly very easy. All you will need to do is simply follow these simple steps. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is go to the taskbar and search for settings. So once you have clicked onto the settings, you will be landed onto the settings of your Windows computer. Now, within the settings, you can simply click onto the apps option and then click on installed apps. Now from here, you can simply search for the apps. So let me simply search for Roblox. Now here you can see that this is my Roblox player and Roblox Studio is a separate application. Now to uninstall Roblox, I will simply click onto these three dots for the Roblox player and then choose the second option, that is uninstall. Once I click onto this uninstall option, this says this app and its related info will be uninstalled. To proceed, click on uninstall again and wait for the process to begin. Now you can see that this has opened or launched the Roblox uninstallation wizard. So using this wizard, you can see that the Roblox has been successfully uninstalled from our Windows computer. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.